With the policy of decentralization, my government has taken up a historical move through restructuring of districts, increasing the number of districts to 26, the revenue divisions to 76, and the police divisions to 108. This has made the administration more accessible to the common man. This massive transformative initiative has been conceptualized for the first time since 1956. This district reorganization move has started showing dividends and evoked satisfaction amongst all sections of the society across the state. With a genuine intention to help people, my government has been implementing Spandana program to redress the public grievances with high priority and, more importantly, with a humane face. There is positive feedback in the way the citizens' grievances are being redressed, and this program is widely acclaimed with accolades from Niti Aayog. With an aim to create awareness among public on various welfare schemes being implemented by the government, my government has initiated Gadapa Gadapaku Prabhutvam program. Under this program, MLAs and public representatives visit every household across the state in their respective jurisdiction. The issues identified at the village level during their visit are being addressed at village and ward secretariat level on priority, and a separate fund of rupees 3,000 crores has been earmarked for the purpose. Ensuring even faster and effective service delivery at the doorsteps of the household, we have recently initiated home delivery of essential commodities to all ration card holders through 9,260 mobile units. It's a matter of pride that Andhra Pradesh has made improvement in the recent past in controlling the crime rate, reducing violence, and thereby maintaining harmony amongst all sections of the population. Innovative policing measures have primarily contributed to this peaceful environment. My government is committed to ensure safety and security to women in the state. As a landmark initiative, Disha Bill has been brought out to take quick and stringent action against those involved in the crime against women. Now I will come to the concluding part. I wish to conclude by expressing my happiness with the impactful interventions and the good governance practices under implementation by my government yielding commendable results. Inclusiveness and sustainability of the state progress will continue to be the top priorities of my government, and we will continue to strive hard to make the state more robust, resilient, fulfill the aspirations of the people. Jai Hind.